Yeah, let's go. Saan? Ayun niya. Tinuro ko pa yun sa ano. Ang cute, no? Yeah, let's go. Let's go ride the boat. Yeah. Stop. Your child walking here. You're like, no, 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 no. No, no, don't go there. I found photos of my father when I was a small child, and I saw on the pictures I had a rope around because I ran around everywhere.
So you're like Loki.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You were young.
This is why he does this to me because I deserve it. Yeah. So from here you take speed and you jump, and it's almost is it 8 meters down. I mean, not in the water. It's only about 4.5 meters jumping,
Go,
4 meters
go
from here.
there.
But it's very deep down here.
Mm.
But if you usually I jump off with a rock, and when you get to the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
there is oysters.
Whoa.
Yeah, so you just pick them up by hand. But it's I used to dive a lot.
Here, I'm gonna take a picture of both of you.
Yeah, yeah.
Go in there.
This is a beautiful profile picture spot.
Living the life.
Island boy,
Island boy.
island girl.
Island girl. The sensitive gum bro.
Hindi nakapin yung bola.
Kaya nga, ngayon ko nga lang din naisip may camera pala ako naka-standby na mainit na sa bag ko. Naka-standby lang.
Action camera ba yan?
Nag-try test ulit ako eh. Nung una kasi mabilis maloba to eh. Mali pala yung settings ko. Meron akong kit. May case siya. Ha! 1, 2,
Mapapanood dyan.
hu!
Ako mapapanood.
Sa YouTube, syempre.
Go. Please like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe. He doesn't want to give it to me. Ho! Ho!
Hindi ko pagod.
Hindi ko tino.
Kumain na siya. Hindi, matanda na nga, di ba? Di-breed niya na.
Nakikita kasi energy niya pag nasa loob na ng bahay. Pag nasa loob ng bahay, nakikita yung energy niya. Ngayon pag nasa labas na ng wire. Tama na naman sa puno niya.
Hu!
Kung kita mo,
Pumulik.
lapit, layo mo. Ano natin ka ba?
Hindi. Tinanong mo na yan ah. Tingnan mo, nangangasar siya. Ayaw niya na maibigay. Oh, binibigay niya tapos ayaw niya.
Kasi nga, kailangan mo doon ng force.
Hindi, kahit i-force mo. Di ba binuhat nga niya kanina? Pagka gusto niya ibigay sa'yo, itotos niya.
You used to be a doctor. First you have first aid kit, now you have dentist. Dr. Yanulov.
Just take something until it doesn't hurt.
You
Don't take the pink one.
Oh, that's a different pill.
need to get some cola and
Yeah. I think these are double check. This is Pan. I think this is
You want
Paracet.
water?
I think that is ebooks. Ibuprofen.
ibuprofen.
This is Paracet here. This is a gram, so this should do the job. But
I think ibuprofen is better.
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Take this one, ma'am.
Alaksan
to be honest, if it's painful enough, you mix them.
Ooh.
Ibuprofen and Paracet together, they knock out everything.
Tuman tubig?
Cola. There's a cola.
Yeah. Because she ordered she buys a lot when she travels. And she travels.
Ayan po, stranded. Stranded po kami ngayon dito. Inuubos na lang po namin yung oras namin mag-picture-picture.
Stranded na po
Nandiyan na.
kami.
Pero,
Sinusunod na
may
tayo.
ship!
Ayun
Naintindihan.
Ano ba manarinig tayo nung pati-pati?
Naintindihan kahit.
Uy, hala, bagay pala sa'yo yung island na to.
Kalboy. Kalboy.
Kalboy, may konting.
Kita mo yung ano niya.
Kalboy na may konting buhok.
Ayun. Yung island, tiga mo, kalboy. Ay,
Island din yung...
Saya.
Umabot ka rito, no? Talong ka lang ng island. Ayan, video mo
Ayan
yan.
na yung hagdan.
ikaw binibidyo ko, ikaw action
Umayos
star.
ka, nakabidyo ka, umayos ka.
Ikaw yung action star eh. Oh yeah. Oh. Sa YouTube.
Video ako kayo.
Boy ni, Bione.
Bioy.
Bioy ni. The City Island. Let's go.
Ito ka dyan, Ken.
Guys, ay.
Tama ka dyan.
Hindi, kaya ako dyan.